Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is I. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读 I. This initial I and the third tone I. Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写撇横撇点撇横竖撇点撇折撇横 I means short. It's for the height. So compare if a person 高 we learned before and compare with me I'm I. So see this picture. Here's two people. This one we call the 高 and then this one we call the I. So we can see A, B, I. Okay, did you got it? If you like today's video, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.